All right, guys, I got another package from Brownells, as you can see. And if you've been following up, I just purchased a Glock 48 MOS from Brownells. So you can already assume what's in this box. Yes, I'm upgrading. So let's see what I purchased. So guys, a word from our sponsor, Brownells. As you know, I'm a proud BOP member. So that gets you 10% off any purchase from Brownells. That's $150 or more. Just use code BOP10. You could also find my affiliate link down below in the description. I have a link tree down there with all my affiliate links. Brownells is included. So if you're gonna make a purchase, make sure to use that code to help the channel out. Thanks again. Back to the video. Problem with FedEx, but it wasn't on Brownells' fault. That was a FedEx issue. Package got delayed, then it got lost. Here we are today, finally got my package. You can see the box is kind of banged up now. But I'm just happy that we were able to get my package in. And if you're ever worried about your package getting lost, don't worry, because Brownells has a protection plan that you can add on for $3 at checkout. If your package ever does get lost, they will guarantee you get your money back or a replacement. You can also get Brownells Edge program. I believe it's $49.99 for a whole year, which includes free shipping and other benefits as well when it comes to FFL items and stuff like that. Check out their Edge program on their site. You could do more research on it. If you think that it will benefit you, definitely get it. I love it. Let's open this package up. Let's put this away. What's in the box? First things first, the Glock 48 MOS only comes with 2 magazines. I wanted to get a third magazine for now. I do want to switch over to the Shield S15 mags, but they're out of stock almost everywhere right now. But once I find them in stock, I will get them. Right now, I just wanted a third magazine for it. I also got the Ghost Ink extended slide release, just because I hate those flat slide locks. I want to be able to hit it with my thumb in case I need to. So there you go, an extended slide release right there for the 42, 43, 43X, and 48. Also purchased a Ghost Ink Edge connector. I want to reduce the trigger weight slightly. So there you go. Hopefully this does reduce the weight a little bit. The 48 kind of has a horrible trigger. I did do some polishing to the internal parts, and I will polish this up before installing it as well, and hopefully that'll give it a smoother trigger. Now, let's see. If you guys know, I was having some issues with my 43 build, but now that was a frame issue from what I'm assuming. So I was able to send in the barrel because the feedlet, the feed ramp got damaged on the previous barrel that I had. So I kind of just gave up on that project for now. But since I do have a 48 frame and a 43 slide, I decided to go with a 43 threaded barrel, because with that slide that I got from Brownells, I'm thinking about getting a compensator and testing it on the 48 frame, kind of like a 43X. Guys, this is why I'm a huge proponent for for Brownells because their customer service is amazing. I love anytime I need to call customer service for any reason, they're so helpful. And like I said, guarantee, forever guarantee is amazing. Almost no questions asked, and they were like, all right, we'll send you a shipping label in your email, just ship it back. I didn't have to pay anything for it. I sent them the previous barrel and I purchased this barrel instead. If you don't know, Brownells has some awesome swag. I saw this trucker hat on their website and I kind of fell in love with it. This thing looks nice. I love this leather logo and I love black, so I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. You'll see me in the future with these, with this on. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna be installing these. Got an extra mag, so till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.